the African Jacana, a wading bird that appears to walk on water, earning it the nickname, the Jesus bird. But this levitation miracle is an illusion. The Jacana is really walking on floating vegetation, lily pads, aided by extremely long feet and claws, which disperse the bird's light weight over a large surface area. I spent one afternoon in Botswana, ignoring the more famous and charismatic African wildlife, to watch and film Jesus birds feeding on insects in shallow water. And in the afternoon spent admiring their beauty and agility, I came to another understanding. There is a miracle at work here, not walking on water. But the female Jacanas have accomplished what females of few other species have. They are polyandrous. Yes, these women have harems of males for mating purposes. And it's the male that cares for the chicks. And therein lies the miracle of the African Jacana.